So I got a 2011 Jeep Compass here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to replace the side marker clearance lights right there in the corner of your headlights if they're burnt out. They take these little tiny bulbs. They are 194 NAs, and this is what they look like. I'll put a link of these in the description of the video if you want to grab them on Amazon. And this is pretty easy to do. I'll show you what's involved with it. If you like the video, hit the hype button on your cell phone. Give us a hype. We'd love to have you guys do that. It helps us out a ton, and we'll hopefully save you some money by following along in this video. Let's hop to it. All right, so I have the hood popped on the car, and the wire for it, it's the same on both sides, is right here. So you gotta kind of see if I can get it out with my phone so you can see it. So it's this wire right here, and it goes over to the bulb at the corner of that light. So what you gotta kind of do is put your hand on it, and you can feel it. You gotta twist it to the left. You can hear it. I just heard it unlock. Then pull it out, and here's the bulb right there. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put some gloves on so that the oil from your fingers doesn't prematurely burn out the brand new bulb by getting oil on the bulb. So this bulb just pulls right out. It should pull out pretty easy for you. So you're gonna take your new bulb, and you're gonna push it right into place, and it'll lock in. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not loose. And then you're gonna kind of reach down, and I've got to kind of got my finger, and I can feel for the hole down in here where the bulb went. You're gonna have to fish for it a little bit. Push the light bulb in and turn it to the right, and that'll lock it in. Give it a quick tug. Make sure it's locked in place. And let's turn the lights on and test this out. Make sure the light's up. Hey, there we go. We have clearance lights again. Nice. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, and you want to hype the video, it help us out a lot. And give us a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.